good to be here. Listen up! Empower yourself in the business world with Region Business School.
Come to us.
I love that.
We can do a leadership training course with you. We have quite a few short learning programs we can even offer you, and even for businesses, because Region Business School is a level 1 BEE contributor, so you also get the kickbacks from the BEE points.
Nice! Me, I want the money. I'm not playing. Yeah, we're not playing. We're here for a good time. If you halfway through your life, like me, you're in your 40s and you actually don't know what you want to do for a living and you want to make a change, what are the next steps?
So then is to basically first come down to the Region Business School campus.
Today it's like an open day vibe.
For someone that is in their 40s, look, you never get old to learn.
Never. And that's what I am learning today.
Correct. And that is what Region Business School is. Because Region Business School offers a wide variety from higher certificates, degrees, diplomas, MBAs, doctorates, depending on where you are in your life.